Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to flatten sheet metal. So as example, I will create the sign and you can draw rectangle. Use Pool Tools to convert into 3D. Now I will convert this object into sheet metal. You can go to sheet metal tab and then click convert, select the object. Now in here I will use bend tools to bend the objects in this area. Click OK. And also I will bend in the bottom here. You can set for the bend angles into 45 degree. Click OK again. Now if you want to flatten these sheet metals, you can use the move tools. You can click here move and then select the objects like this, and you can click this icon unfold. So it will be create new unfolded tab and it will be automatically flatten the sheet metal. So this is for the design in 3D, and then this is for the flattened object. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to flatten sheet metal. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.